What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in building. Man, we had a wild ride today. We had data that came in hot. You guys see it. If you trade futures, you seen that big old red candle that dropped at 8:30 in the morning. We had Tesla shares. They end up dipping about 1.1%. They end up closing somewhere around 336 as the company stepped up their hiring for that robo-taxi initiative in New York that they got going on. Meanwhile, the broader market, the S&P 500, slipped after hotter than expected wholesale inflation data raised concerns about the Fed potentially delaying a rate cut. So moving forward, guess what we got tomorrow? We got more data. We got data that's dropping at 8:30 in the morning. We got data that's dropping at 10 o'clock in the morning. So be prepared for another volatile day, but it don't matter. You already know if you rock with your boy, I'm going to have our favorite tickers updated before the market open up. That way you know what your plays is trying to do throughout the session. But before we jump into the charts, y'all do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. All right, let's get it. First ticker up, newbies, beginners, is going to be TSLL. They're sitting at 1250, and you see they made that little dive towards this 200 EMA right at closing. If you are a bull, you like that momentum that they gave, and they didn't get through any key areas that suggest that they're going to pull back even low, even though they didn't run up like they did over the last couple days, but they didn't violate any crucial key areas to the downside. They were trying to, but they got that bounce back up. If you are a bull going into tomorrow, you want to see them open somewhere around these tops. You would like to see them open higher than $13. They can do that. They can start grinding this thing all the way back up to this stuff over here at 1360 before boom, 1450 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at 1220. They can do that right there. You're going to hit that turbulence block, 1195. You got turbulence to about 1180, and then boom, you got 1120 in play. Next ticker up, we got Advanced Trader. I got a new one that I'm going to put out. Somebody put this one in the Discord, and man, I was looking at this one, watching the moves. I'm telling you, scalpers, y'all want to see this one. You want to check this one out. This is definitely one that you can make some money on it. Champagne bottles in the air to the person that put that one out. I salute you. Appreciate it. Thanks for giving the family another ticker to be able to put on their radar to make money. If you're a newbie and beginner, I wouldn't really mess with this one. This is a scalper's delight right here. This is ticker symbol BLSH. They're sitting at 74.40. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 76.50. If they can do that, next level up, you got this stuff right here at 78.60. They hold that level right there. Next level up, boom, you got 80.85 in play. Next level up is these tops right here at 84.90. This one can move fast on you, but you can make some good money along the way, and it's not going to break the bank. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than this 70.90 area. If they can do that right there, man, they're going to start falling real hard. You got 69.60, and then the drop again, it will be bearish. Next ticker up, you got ticker symbol HOOD. It's been grinding up. This is one that you can make some money on as well, and it's not going to break the bank. They're sitting at 110.05. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than this 111.70 area. If they can do that right there, next level up, they're going to run into this 12.95 area and routes to getting back to these tops up here at 14.80, and then boom, you got 116.40 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than 109.05. They can do that right there. They're going to shoot their shot right back to these bottoms right here at 107.80, and then boom, you got 106.20 in play. Next level down is going to be 104.50. They start breaking through that. We got some turbulence in there, and then they start their fall back down to 101.05. But you already know I will be updating that if they start taking out those crucial areas. Big ballers, shot callers, y'all come on up. Let's get it. First one up is going to be Tesla. Tesla sitting at 334.90 at closing. If you are a bull in this one, one, you preferably want to see them open somewhere around this 338.55 area. If they can do that right there, you got an area of interest at these tops right here, 341.70, and then boom, you got 345.50 in play. They break through that, you got a test at 347.20. They consolidate above that right there, you running up to 351. Turbulence in there before they really start getting busy, and all the way to 358.35. To the downside, you want to see them open under 329.45. They can do that right there. You got one more area of interest at 327.05. Bulls lose that area right there. Look out, we coming all the way back down to this 318.25 level. So you see the Bears playing around that area right there. Figure out what you want to do with those calls right there, because I'm telling you, they ready to get smoked. So if you're not gonna sell, at least have a plan. Know what your intentions is with that particular play. If you have options, if they're long dates, then yeah, it may rebound and come back up. If you got shares in the company, then you ain't got nothing to worry about, because you don't take a loss until you sell. But if you plan them ODTEs and you gambling on a couple hours left and you see them take out that area, I'm telling you, have a plan of action right there. So there you go with that one right there. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. SPY is sitting at 645.30. So if you are a bull, you need to see them clear this top right here at 646.20. If they can do that, they're going to continue on with their run to the upside. Next leg up, they're going to try to push this thing to 648, 650. To the downside, what you want to see is 643.90 open. If they can do that, next level down is going to be these bottoms right here at 642.65. They lose this area right here, 641.90. They're going to pour this thing all the way back down to this 639.95. That will be in play, losing that area right there. As you see with the SPY, when they had that little pop right there, I put out, I said, SPY, if you are playing this one, bulls need to get through these two tops up at 645.05, hold in there. They will run to those other tops. I said, look left. If you look left, you'll see more tops at 645.50. Then you got one more set of tops at 646.05. If the bulls can manage to take out that one, we might have some end of day heroics and a run to 648. I was sitting here waiting on it, but I'm telling you, we ran out of time. They was trying to shoot their shot. They had that little pump, and then Wall Street did what they famous for doing. I seen it coming. I knew they was ready to pull that back in that last couple seconds, but all that was fake, because bulls had the momentum right there. They were ready to rock this place. But that's why I don't play in power hour, because you get the nonsense. You get Wall Street pull this thing back for no apparent reason at all. They will never get me in that hour. They got me many times in the past, but I got certain standards that I stick by, and one of those standards is I don't trade in power hour. You see, if we take it back to the charts, you see what they tried to do. They tried to grind this thing up. We ran into those tops that I was talking about. They smacked it down. They came back to retest those tops, broke through. Here was the other tops that I was telling you about, 645.50. You see what happened when they hit that top? They came down. They went back to retest it. Anytime you get that test and retest, man, it's a high possibility that they're going to break that door down and keep running to some higher stuff. And they tried to shoot their shot, but they got smacked at closing. But we are looking for continuation tomorrow. Of course, we got some key data that's going to come out that will affect the price action of these tickers. But man, oh man, if everything is good and Wall Street is in line and rocking with these reports, we ready to knock down that 650 door, and we're going to continue to some higher stuff. I'm all for it. It's the last day of the trading week. One more chance for us to dominate the session. You already know your boy Fresh is going to be along with y'all, ready to kill it. So can't wait to see y'all. Until then, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.